So I posted this picture the other day, heated steering wheel install. Fucking got a bunch of likes, a couple views on it. I was gonna make a quick little tutorial video on how to install it. So what do we get? Pair of hot hands, duct tape, just laying around. We get these bad Larrys opened up here. Give me a second. Get them out of there. Pull them out. Get them babies. Give them a good shake. Get them going. Kind of get them preheated for you. We'll fire it up. Pull yourself off a good strip here. Tear that baby right in half because you don't need all that tape on one. Take that. Throw that on there. Give it one of those right there. Bam. Second one. Right there. Bam. Cold days solved. Problem. No more cold hands. There we go. Heated steering wheel install.